Good morning, students. This is your Shanghita ma'am, and today I'll be discussing future tense. So let's start today's class. So future tense. What is future tense? Future tense expresses actions that have not happened or a state of being that doesn't yet exist. Okay? That means this tense refers to an action that will occur in future, that has not happened yet, that will happen in future. Okay? So in this sense, in these sentences, we use future tense. How will you understand that this sentence is written in future tense? Look at the example over here. I shall go to Delhi tomorrow. So here, I shall. Okay? I shall go to Delhi tomorrow. Here, shall. Next sentence. Look at the next sentence. He will come here on my birthday. So here, I shall go to Delhi tomorrow. He will come here on my birthday. In these two sentences, we can see that the action, that the verb over here refers to the action that will happen in future, but that has not happened yet. How will you understand that this sentence is written in future tense? If you look at the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb here means shall, will. Okay? So that is why we understand that the sentence is written in future tense. So students, where can we use future tense? Future tense can be used in many different occasions. See over here, I have written over here some of the usage of future tense. Number 1, in case of predictions. Example, if you practice every day, your English will improve. So, here, will improve. Here, we have used the future tense. If you practice every day, okay, your English will improve. So, I am predicting that your English will be improved if you practice, if you work hard every day. So, I am predicting of your improvement in English, okay. Now, come to the second point. Plans or arrangements. Whenever you are making any plan for future, okay, in case of these sentences also, we can use future tense. Example, we will visit him next week. So this is my plan that I will visit, okay, we will visit him next week. It is my plan. That is some of the arrangement that we have made, okay, we will visit, okay. So here in this case, we are also using the future tense, will visit. Now come to the third point. Decisions, promises and offers. In making future decisions, suppose here I have given example, she will have salad. Here making decision, she is making decision that she will going to have salad for the lunch. So it is a hard decision, okay, that she will take in future. That is why I have used here future tense. Now come to promise. He will call you at 5 a.m. So he is making promises. He is giving promise. Like he will call you at 5 a.m. Here apostrophe double L means he will. Okay, he will call you at 5 a.m. Promises. Now come to the offers. In case of offers also, we can use here the future tense. They will help you with the homework. Okay, this is my offer. They are offering you to help you in your homework. So here in case of future offers, we can also use the future tense. They will help. So here future tense is used. Now students, let me tell you where can we use shall and will. What are the different usage of shall and will? So, shall we can use in case of first person. First person means I or we. Okay. So, in case of first person, we can use shall. Example, I shall help you. I is the first person. singular number. So that is why I shall help you. Okay. After that, we shall prepare it. We also, it is also first person, but it is plural number. So that is why we shall prepare it. But the question may come to you that after we also, we can write will. Okay, so how can you write it? We will overcome the situation that we are now going through. Okay, we all are going through some tough situations right now, isn't it? So we will overcome it. Why? Ma'am, is it wrong that you have said here we shall, but now you are telling we will? Because here I am showing a strong determination. Okay, I am referring to a strong determination. Okay, so that is why we can also write wherever there is a strong determination that is implied in the sentence, we can also use we will. Okay, students? Okay, now come to will. Will is used in place of second person. After second person we can use will. Here is the example. You will meet him. After you, obviously you cannot write shall. Okay, you will meet him. You is the second person. So that is why after you I have written here will. Now come to the third person. Third person means he, she, it, they, or any name. Okay, any name. So here I have given example. He will come. He is the third person. After that I have used here will. They. It is also third person but plural number. So that is why I have also used here will. They will help you. So okay students. So in here these are the different usage of shall and will in future tense. Now students, what are the classification of future tense? There are 4 classification of future tense. First one is simple future or future indefinite tense. Second one is future continuous tense. Third one is future perfect tense. And fourth one is future perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now, what is simple future tense? Let's come to the definition. This tense is used for those actions that will take place in future. Okay, that have not occurred yet, that have not happened yet, that will happen in future. So in these sentences we can use the future tense. Let me give you 2 examples. He will pass the exam. He will pass. That will take place in future. So that is why this is an example of future tense. Okay, he will pass. Now come to the second sentence. She will meet you very soon. I shall meet you very soon. So here I shall meet you. So my meeting will happen in future. Okay, near future. So that is why here in this sentence I have also used the future tense. Simple future tense over here. Okay. So simple future tense is very simply, it refers to the action that will happen, that will take place in future. Now students, let me tell you about the simple future tense, the rule of simple future tense. How will you write a sentence in simple future tense, okay, or future indefinite tense. Now let's look at the rule over here. First you have to write the subject. After that shall or will, okay, according to the subject. After that the base form of the verb. Base form of the verb means the present form of the main verb. Okay, you cannot write the past form of the main verb. The present tense of the main verb obviously you have to write. After that the remaining portion of the sentence or the object. Now how will you write the assertive sentence? He will talk to his friend. So here he will talk. Here he is the subject. Will talk. This is the verb which is written in future tense. Will Okay, the auxiliary verb, it refers to that the sentence is written in the future tense. After that, the present form of the main verb. I told you that the base form of the main verb you have to write. So that is why talk. After that, the remaining portion of the sentence. Okay, students. Now, let's come to the next sentence. That is our negative sentence. How will you write? He will not talk to his friend. Here, he is the subject. Will. After will, you have to write not because it is negative sentence. So that is why not you have to write in between these two verbs. The auxiliary verb, the future form of the auxiliary verb will. After that, here the main verb, okay, present tense written in present tense, talk, and in between that you have to write the negative statement, not. Okay, he will not talk to his friend, full stop. Remember that you cannot write here past tense. Talked you cannot write. Talks of course you cannot write. Okay, so he will not talk to his friend. Okay, now come to the third part of the sentence. That is interrogative sentence. Here, will he talk to his friend? The interrogative mark is there at the end. So, will. I told you students that whenever we are writing an interrogative sentence, we have to start the sentence with the auxiliary verb, the future, because we are writing simple future tense. So that is why I cannot use any other form of the verb other than shall or will. Of course, because we are discussing about simple future tense. So shall or will we have to write because it is simple future tense. So that is why will, because it is interrogative sentence. So I have started the sentence with will. Okay, the to be form of the verb, the auxiliary verb. Will. After that, subject. After that, the base form of the verb or the present form of the main verb. Then the remaining portion of the sentence. After that, the question mark. Okay, students. So here the rule. Okay, the rule is for the assertive sentence. And here, what is the rule of this sentence? First, you have to write shall or will. After that, subject. Then the present tense of the main verb. Then the remaining portion of the sentence. Then the question mark. So, students, what are the usage of simple future tense? Number 1. Future prediction. To predict something in future that will happen in future. So to predict something, we can use simple future tense. Example, the sun will rise at 5 a.m. tomorrow. So I am predicting that sun will rise at 5 a.m. tomorrow. So it is my prediction. So that is why I have used here simple future tense. Okay. Now come to the second point. For promises, requests, refusals and offers, we can use simple future tense. Example, I will help you. So here I will help. So here I have used here the simple future tense. Why? Because I am promising someone that I will help you. I definitely will help you. Okay? If you need my help. Okay? So that is why I have used here for promising. Okay? I have used here simple future tense. Understood? So the sun will rise. It is also an example of simple future tense. Now come to the third point. Future conditions. If it doesn't rain, we will go out. So it is my condition. If it doesn't rain, then we will go out. Okay? Only that time. Only on that, in that case, we can go out. If it doesn't rain. Okay? So that is why I have used here, this is my condition. Okay? So that's why I have used here simple future tense. Now come to the next part. Future plans or predictions. Okay? For our future plans and prediction, we can also use simple future tense. Example, we will go on a trip next week. I know in this situation it's not possible. Okay? So, we will go on. Here, we will go. Here in this sentence, will go. This is my plan. It is my prediction. It is my plan that I will go on a trip. maybe a trip to Digha or Puri, okay, next week. Understood, students? So here my future plans are referred here. So that is why I have used here simple future tense.